What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be showing you an awesome Jeep. I know my channel isn't based on Jeep, but if you guys do remember, we're a part of SINDICATE. In SINDICATE, we go with both Toyotas and we go with also Jeeps. So today we're going to show you this awesome rig from Front Runner, and let's go ahead and give you guys a build walk around and give you guys ideas if you guys have a Jeep. Let's do it.
Hey guys, I'm Jacob with Front Runner Outfitters. This is my personal rig, 2017 Jeep JKU. Here's the build. So engine kept it pretty basic. Did a dual battery kit from Genesis with 2 deep cycle marine grade batteries, rugged ridge front bumper and winch. Upgraded the headlights. However, shout out to Casey, we need to get upgrades for those. TerraFlex overland kit with speed bumps, VTX rich, support the wheels, Nido trail grapplers. For the interior, we did super chips, controller that basically allows us to monitor all the vehicle statistics through the ECU. We did 67 Designs mounts and a Vector off-road bar. The interior is pretty much stock. Just hothead headliners to help with some insulation and just keep a little cooler in the summer. Roof rack, of course, is Front Runner. Lower gear, we have MaxTrax mounts, locking pins, regular pins. You could do 2 or 4. Tent mounts, shovel. You could walk around to the other side. You can make drawer slides, domestic fridge, all our cup packs, tie downs, quick releases. Basically everything that goes right in, bolts right in existing points. We did a JCR rear bumper and swing out. On this side we have a Front Runner awning. You could do an awning room or shade depending on what you want to do for bugs to keep them off. Bumpers, clearance, everything made it flush with the fenders. Other than that, I mean, basically pretty stock interior. Did the road shower on the top just for a little extra water. Basically just built it as we needed it. The biggest thing I think for this Jeep has been the suspension and the front rack. The rack allows us to haul a lot of gear. Of course our tent, which we basically live in these long trips, and allow us to get outdoors and still be comfortable. Other than that, that's basically it. Shout out to friends of mine who did a lot of the suspension, re-gearing, and diff work, Service Tire Co. out in the valley on Van Nuys. Awesome people, Jeep lovers, they go on trips all the time. They do great work. If you need your Jeep re-geared or certain things done that you don't want to do yourself, hit them up.